Access modifiers are like security levels for your code. They control who can access what parts of your classes, protecting sensitive data and maintaining clean interfaces between different parts of your app. C# has 4 main access modifiers. Public means everyone can access the member from anywhere. Private means only code inside the same class can access it. Protected allows the class and its child classes to access it. Internal restricts access to code within the same assembly or project. The best practice is to start with private by default and only expose what is necessary as public. Hide your implementation details and only expose clean, well-defined interfaces. Your class's internal workings should remain secret, preventing other code from depending on implementation details that might change.